Oh no! What's this? Why is a baby dino sitting on this girl's head? Well, one day a sweet little girl, her name was Meenu, was walking through the jungle path. Everything was quiet, but suddenly she heard a soft sound. Someone was crying. Meenu stopped and slowly walked toward the bushes, and behind those bushes, she found a tiny little dino, stuck, scared, and all alone. Helped him out. The baby dino looked at Meenu with teary eyes. She smiled and gave him a warm hug. Then she offered him a milk, and the baby dino started drinking happily. Meenu watched with a smile, then turned to go back. But suddenly, the baby dino started following her. Tiny steps, a little tail wagging behind. Meenu turned around and laughed, as if saying in her heart, "Come on then, stay with me now." A like for this little dino is a must, right? And hey, don't forget to subscribe before you go.